Up next, our latest installment in our Arts in Coquitlam series, sponsored by the Coquitlam Foundation.
Hi, my name is Michael Farah and I'm the events coordinator here at Place des Arts. Got two great events that I want to tell you about that are coming up in September. Our first one is on September 8th from 7 to 9 p.m. It's called Ignite, an affair with art. This is where you're going to find out all of the great adult programming we offer here. It's in conjunction with our opening exhibition. We've got three great artists and of course Art Feet, which will feature the Place des Arts teachers and faculty in their annual show. We're going to have all sorts of fun activities for adults, weaving, pen and ink, drawing, lots of the great opportunities that you can enjoy here in our arts program. Come on down between 7 and 9, enjoy a glass of wine, enjoy the talks of our featured artists from our exhibition, and come and see all of the great activities we offer here at Place des Arts for our adults. So come on down on September 8th, enjoy that glass of wine, and see what we do here at Place des Arts. On Saturday, September 10th, between 2 and 4, Place des Arts is going to be hosting our family open house. Lots of fun activities for the kids, hands-on art activities, as well as you can find out all of the great activities and programs we offer here at Place des Arts. On site this year, we have some great demonstrations. We've got taiko drumming, we've got fiber fun, we've got ceramic arts, ABCs for violin playing. It's going to be lots of fun with Joshua Dean, as well as we have performances by Robin Chan on piano, Dina Kalina on piano. We also will have great door prizes. Come on down between 2 and 4, get a chance to win a $50 gift certificate, and don't forget free cake to celebrate our upcoming season here at Place des Arts. Our family open house, September 10th from 2 to 4 p.m. If you register for any course during either open house, you'll receive a $10 discount off your registration. That's one per family.
Arts in Coquitlam was sponsored by the Coquitlam Foundation. Their motto is Invest, Enrich, Inspire.